In this video, I want to show you how to set up a hotspot using your iPhone 16e. This way, you'll be able to share your Wi-Fi with other devices, maybe with another iPhone, at a computer. Other people will be able to connect to your cellular network. So let's get started right away. Open Settings. Once you're in your settings, you're going to go and tap on Cellular. Make sure that cellular data is turned on. Then you're going to select Personal Hotspot. By default, it's turned off. So you're going to tap on it and you're going to select Allow Others to Join. Then over here, you're going to have the Wi-Fi password that you'll need to use to connect to the hotspot of this iPhone. This can be edited. If you tap over here, you can delete whatever it was there and create a brand new password that only you and the other people will know, so no one else will be able to connect to your iPhone. Click the blue icon over here to save the password. Now go all the way down, and over here where it says to connect using Wi-Fi, you will be able to see under number 1, okay, I don't know if you see on my phone, it says choose and now iPhone R. This is the name of my iPhone. Your iPhone name may be different. I mean, there's a good chance it will be another thing. So take note of this name over here. So here I have another iPhone that I want to connect to the hotspot of this iPhone. So I'll go in the Wi-Fi settings. It will search for all the different networks. And as you see, iPhone R will appear. Select it. And now you need to type the password that is over here. Then press the blue icon. And right now, this phone could have been a computer as well or something else, is connected to your Wi-Fi hotspot. And this is about it. You can see on the top of this phone that hotspot is turned on and that somebody is connected. If I disconnect myself from the hotspot with the other device, let me do it right now. Forget this network, forget. On your iPhone, you'll see that the hotspot disappeared because there's no one connected to it. To turn off the hotspot, you simply have to go back in settings. You can even click on personal hotspot here and turn this off. Thanks for watching. If you found my video helpful, take a moment, like, subscribe, comment, and check my Amazon links to get accessories that are compatible with your iPhone 16e.